Alright, don't forget you are still with Engineer Chinedu Christian. Today we are going to discuss so many things like we are going to discuss about so many complaints we receive from our customers. We are going to discuss so many complaints we receive today from our customers. Ilé-iṣẹ́ ata ịga ọhụụ na anyị nwere o nwere ndị ọ ga-awụ ha chọrọ inye gị complain, they will calm down and give a complaint. I'm talking about those people that usually give us complaint in some phone that we fix for them. We have people that know how to explain whenever there is a mistake in their phone. Oh my God, kerosene have phone. Let us name is small thing in the phone, and they started experiencing another problem. Oh my God, what happened now? That's engineer, please. You fixed this for last week ago, but this is what I started explaining since then. Simple explain. You have explained what the phone, you have already explained what the person feels for the phone last 2 weeks ago, but you started explaining another problem. You have explained for the person to understand you, but there are people that will come and they will be like engineer, you just use this for this last 2 weeks. Since that day, my phone just scatter. Since then, since you opened this phone, my phone just scatter. That is how so many people is. They don't know how to explain. and when you see those kind of people, you will see them raising their voice for others to come and ask what is going on. Then I told you that the way you explain to the fraud technician, it can also make the person to charge you for the problem. But when you relax your mind and explain normally, the person might collect the phone and fees free of charge for you. Understand? So what matters is understanding. Then, ichenjere ha screen na phone. They take the phone. Highest 1 week or 2 weeks or even 1 month, they will come back and say, engineer, you are the first person that opened this phone since I bought it. But since we changed the screen, the phone can be shining blue in the morning. In the afternoon, it will be shining red. Then in the evening, it will be shining white. So, what am I saying? Whenever you notice that your phone is no longer functioning the way the phone functioned before, what you should do is tell the person straightforward. Tell the person what the phone is doing. Manere sanyaka. Ega ho somebody biara phone. You came to a feast for, and you are like this. Understand? What am I trying to say? You guys may not understand this point. So many people maybe in something like screen or charging point or battery, or it might be network issue. Haga akpachanya sizie gị mezie ofu whereas ha ma na fon ahụ n'onwe ihe ọzọ na-eme fon ahụ but ihe ha na-eme nwoke ha bụ ịchaji ha much then imezizie nke ahụ ha gwara gị mezie o nwere ike wụ na problem ahụ ha na-hide na ha achọghị ọrụ na gụwa na-arụ fon ahụghị ya mepere fon ahụ so like as you have faced that one that they ask you to face that's one that they hiding might develop more. They know that the problem has already begun, but it's not that much. But as you have faced the phone, like you have faced the one that they ask you to face, that one that they are hiding, that problem of the phone they are hiding might increase. The person, just understand me, the person was trying not to let you know, for you not to increase the price. And you, the phone technician, didn't see that problem. They are hiding. The next day, you will see them coming to explain that since you fix this problem, this phone has never remained the same again. Like the phone just functioning the way I don't like. Whereas you, the phone owner, knows very well that this phone has another little problem before. But as soon as the person open the phone, then face the one you ask him to face, the problem might increase a little. But didn't mention that problem to the phone bearer to correct it. Now you have brought back the phone back to the person to fix free of charge for you because of he just fixed the phone of recent. Understand? And that is why most of the phone technician might be thinking, wondering if and is this their fault or not? You will see the person shouting, backing that you spoil their phone when they ask you to fix common something. Understand? That is why I always advise so many technicians to be very, very careful. If your head no correct, if your head no complete, don't go to the phone repair. If no be that person with a shine eyes, never come to phone business. Because you will be going backwards instead of forward. If your head no complete, if your brain is not working, if your brain is not functioning, don't near for repairing business. Most of our phone technicians No, because they lost in the phone, they feel someone, they will start doing anything. And when you have started like people in a hour na your business, that is when your downfall has started. If you don't know, go and jot this down. People iji ri nri ọ iji akpata ego were mewe ihe ahụ. That is when you have unlocked the key of downfall. N'i na-arụ ọrụ nke wezụkwu na onye ọbụla na-arụ ọrụ ga-enwerịrị the day ị ga-asị ka nri bido. Nke ha wụrụ ahụ nke wụrụ ọwụ na iwepụ na leadership na mmeziri phone na mmezicha ya bịa wepụ any component from the phone. Whereas you are very sure that you realized that person was complaining. That is when you are calling a downfall to come. Go to many places like international market. Ị ga-ahụ otu ndị na-arụ fon na-esi rush them na-agafe. Come and fix your phone, come and fix your phone, come and fix your phone. Mee kpachala anya sef ere like they will steal your phone. So when na-asịkwa ị chọrọ imezi phone gị as a phone technique, as our customers, look for someone that has a base. Each onye nwere base harasị ya ọbụla na phone gị nwere problem. You are getting no short, say, don't the person can't take your phone and run, or spoil your phone and run. You are getting no short. So, it is why I na ihe ndị ahụ na-akọwacha